Yeah, hi, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to channel Freaking IT. Today we are going to discuss about the router, how we can ping point-to-point router. In CCNA, this is a basic thing. First, we need to understand how we can ping the router with each other. So I'm using the GNS. So I configure router 1 and router 2. Just I connected the link. Let's see now how we can configure and connect a router with each other and ping with each other. Now you can see this is a console of router where I need to check first the interfaces. Show IP interface brief. By default, every router has a administrative interface are shut down, so we need to first unshut the interface. I'm going to configure interface. Suppose I'm connecting fastnet 0/0. I need to run the command no shut. Once I know shut, then I need to check the show IP in brief. It will give the alert. Okay, this interface is up. Let me no shut the another one also. No shut. So once you no shut the command, you are able to see. So if I am checking, is my interface is F00/ which is connected with the other router 2 F00/. So let me quickly configure the IP interface. I need to go to config mode, interface fastnet 0/0. I am giving IP address pose 1.1.1 and I am giving a subnet mask 255.255.255. Subnet mask I am going to make another video. This is only for one basic for point to point router, because we need to understand when you configuring router point to point, then what parameter you need to require. So I am now configure configuration of router 1. I am now going to console of router 2. So I am on it's of starting. We need to wait for some few seconds to make up. Yeah, now guys, I am in router 2. See the console router 2. So I need to check again the same thing, show IP in brief. It will again, this both the interfaces are showing down here. So what the again we need to do, interface fastnet 0/0 no shut, because my this interface is connected, so I need to no shut only one interface. Quickly I'm going to configure the IP interface fast 0/0, and my IP address is IP address 1.1.1.2 255.255.255.252. Then when I can configure, see now it's both interfaces are configured. When I can run the command show IP in brief, I am able to see that this interface is configured. Especially mean what troubleshooting thing we need to check the status, which is showing status is up and the protocol should be up. Sometime what happen, your physical status is up but logically that interface is down, but that is a different parameter, different discussion. But we will check currently, are we able to ping my 1.1.1 or not, because it is directly connected. So I am waiting. See now it's pinging, because the purpose of this video I just to want to show that we don't need to configure or we don't need to use any routing protocols, we don't need to use any static route, because by default any interface which is connected router to router, it we can ping. So this is here I don't configure any route. When I check the show IP route, it will show only the connected interface. And you know the connected interface, the metric value is the direct connectivity is 0 and sometime 1. But so we can say that when you pinging any point to point router, you don't need to configure any static route. That's it. Thank you for watching.